Hello everyone, I am Vijayanand Narsingh Rao Janardhan introducing to force. According to the definition, force is a cause of any action. That is, force is required to move the object, to stop the object, to change the direction of the object, and also to change the shape and size of the object. Force is a vector quantity. Dimension of force is m1, L1, t minus 2. mk unit of the force is kilogram meter per second square and SI unit of the force is Newton. Let us see what happens when two or more forces interact with each other. That is resultant force. The resultant force is described as the total amount of force acting on the object along with the direction. In short, resultant force is a vector sum of all forces. Mathematically, resultant force equals to vector F1 plus vector F2 plus vector F3 plus so on. Balance force. In balance force, resultant force is equals to 0. That's why displacement is also 0. As we know, there is a force of attraction between moon and earth. Then, why they are not coming closer? Answer is because of balance force. Here, centripetal force is balanced with the centrifugal force. That's why moon is not coming closer to the earth. Unbalanced force. Resultant force is not equal to 0. That is, object get displaced because of resultant force. Let us see some more forces in nature. First, gravitational force, electromagnetic force, strong nuclear force and weak nuclear force. Gravitational force. Range of gravitational force is infinite. Gravitational force is weakest force. Gravitational force is always attracts the object and attraction of the force is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of distance from their center of masses. Electromagnetic force. Electromagnetic force is attractive or repulsive depends upon electrical charges. Under the action of the forces, there is a deformation of object that changes intermolecular distance, thereby resulting into the reaction force. Strong nuclear force. Strong nuclear force is the strongest force that binds the nucleons, that is protons or neutron, together inside nucleus. Strong nuclear force is charge independent and short range. Weak nuclear force. Weak nuclear force is the interaction between the subatomic particles that is responsible for radioactivity decay. Weak nuclear force is short range force. Weak nuclear force is stronger than gravitational force and much weaker than electromagnetic and strong nuclear force. Forces are also classified as contact and non-contact force. In contact force, interaction between the object that touch. Example, applied force, spring force, elastic force, muscular force, drag force, viscous force, friction force. These all are examples are contact force. In contact force, frictional force, viscous force and drag force are also known as opposing force. Non-contact force, attraction or repel even from a distance. Example, magnetic force, electric force and gravitational force. In magnetic force, magnet attracts iron, nickel and cobalt. Electrical force showing the effects on charges, that is same charges repel to each others and opposite charges are attract to each others. Gravitational force showing the effects on every particles, attracts all kinds of the particles. Let us see some forces classified as real force and non-real or pseudo force. Real force. All the contact force are real force, that is which arises due to the actual interaction between the object. Non-real force or pseudo force, which is apparent force that acts on all masses whose motion is described using a non-initial frame of reference. Example, we all experience a jerk when moving vehicle sudden stop or changing direction. That cause of jerk is pseudo force. And some more forces are classified as conservative and non-conservative force. Conservative force. If work done by the against a force is independent of actual path, the force is said to be conservative force. Example, potential energy, kinetic energy, and etc. Non-conservative force. In non-conservative force, the work is strictly path dependent and not recoverable. Example, heat, light, sound, etc. Thank you for watching me. Please like and subscribe.